Today we are installing swing arm bearings. I like to use the Motion Pro suspension bearing service tool. It comes with all the adapters and makes it easy to remove and install. Give it a little bit of heat to expand our clearances. These guys were seized and rusted in, so they were not compliant. We busted out the motivator and forced them out.
Some moto bikes. Yeah, I think it was time for some swing arm bearings. Ugh. Yuck.
Then we dump all the rust out before I put it in the ultrasonic to clean it up and warm up the metal. We let the bushing sit in the freezer a while. We make sure that the surface is prepped and clean and ready for install. We like to use Bel-Ray's waterproof grease. I like to use this little trick to cool the bearings down even more so they just slide right in. The Motion Pro tool makes the installation of the bearings square and easy. We grease up the inside of the roller bearings until it gives you that nice sounding good mac and cheese. Make sure the grease is evenly distributed and apply more as needed. Pop the dust seals in. Zip tie them in so the customer doesn't lose them. Wipe it down so it looks good. Send it out the door.